Hello guys, so this time I'll be showing you how to create a simple drop down menu. Okay, I will be using the MenuStrip, but for now I've already created a project. It's named as simple drop down menu. Okay, now we have one form here. Let's rename first this form. Let's name this as FRM main form, and let's add another form. Let's right click the project name, then add Windows form. Okay, let's name this form as FRM products. Okay, so this is the product form, and let's add another form. Let's say add Windows form. Let's name this as FRM supplier. Add. Okay, this is the supplier's form, and then let's add another form. Windows form. Let's name this as FRM customer. Okay, let us add one last form. Let's name this form as FRM orders. Okay, now let us going to put labels on each form. Let's say for this order, let's say we add a label. So label, and let's change the text property to, since this is an orders, let's say orders form. Okay, let's change the size of this label so that we can see it further. Okay, then for the order form, I'm going to copy this one. Okay, let's go to the main form. Now let's insert a menu strip. So the menu strip is on menus and toolbars. So just click menu strip and then click it in your form. Okay, so as you can see, it's below here, and what you see here is type here. So all we need to do is just we're going to type for the our menu options. Let's say we have file. Okay, and then let's say for example when you click file, you want to have a pull down or a drop down menu here, drop down options. Let's say we have an option of new. Okay, and then say for example we wanted to have a sub menu on the new option. All you have to do is just click here and then type the sub menu here. Let's say for example we have customer, and then let's say another option would be, let's say, products. Okay. there. So we have file, new, submenu will be customer and products. Okay. Let's say we have another menu here, menu option here. Let's say we put modify. Okay. So we have file and modify. For menu, submenu will be customer and products. And then for modify, let's say for example we type supplier. Okay, so let's try to run this first. So we now have a simple pull down menu or drop down menu. Click file. Under file we have an option new, and then a sub menu of customer and products. And then we also have the modify. Okay, so let's say we add up another option here under file. Let's say for orders, or run the form. As say for example, as we click the customer option here, we're going to run the form FRM customer. Likewise with the products. And when you click orders here, so we're going to open the form orders, and modify, we're going to, if you click supplier, we'll be running the form suppliers form. Okay, so how do we put the code? All you have to do is just double click your option here. Let's say it's going to double click customer here. Okay, so it will open a subroutine or a function for the customer. Okay, so it will be named as customer to strip menu item click. So when you click that option, that to strip menu item, so everything that you would write here will be executed. So let's say for example, we're going to show the form. So FRM customer dot show. Okay, so basically when you click customer, it will show the customer's form. Okay, let's go to the main form. Let's double click products. So let's show FRM products that show. Okay, and then let's double click this option here, orders. So FRM orders that show. Okay, what else? Click modify and then double click supplier. Then we're going to show this form, FRM supplier that show. Okay, so we now have set up all the codes. Let's run. So when you click file, point to new, and then click customer, it will run the customer's form. Okay, if you click point to new, click products, and it will run the product form. Okay, and when you click file, click orders, and then it will run the orders form. When you click the modify menu, then supplier, it will run the supplier's form. Okay, let's add in an option here, an exit option. So exit. Oops. Okay, now when we click exit, so we're going to close the program. So let's double click exit here, and then our code will be application that exit. This one, file, and then exit. Okay, so the code or the program will stop. Now, what if you wanted to ask first the user if he really would want to exit the program before he truly do exit or close the application? So let's enhance this code. Let's say if msg box, let's say we ask it first, are you sure you want to exit? Okay. Let's choose an icon, a question mark icon. Where's the question mark? Here it is. Okay, then let's add a button, OK and cancel. There it is. OK and cancel. Okay. It's equals to, so if the user have chosen the button OK, there. So what we're going to do is we're going to exit. So I'm going to move this code inside the if statement here. Okay. So if the user would choose to click the OK button, so if this condition is true, it's OK, and then this code will be executed. Application that exit. But if not, so nothing will happen. So we'll just close the message box and it will return to the program. So let's test, run the program. So file, exit, there it is. So it will basically ask the user to, are you sure you want to exit? So if the user click cancel, so it will just close the message box. But if the user would choose to click OK, so it will basically terminate or end the whole application. Okay, so if you would like to add an icon on our options, just like from this drop down menu, click file. So as you can see, some options do have their icons beside the option, so we can do so with our program. So how do we do that? Let's go to the main form, and then let's say for example you wanted to put an icon on the orders option. So all you have to do is just click this order, this option here, okay, and then go to its property, look for the image property. This is the image. So click this three dot button here, and then let's import an image. Okay, then okay, there you would see the icon besides this option. Let's see it when it's run. So let's try to click file, and then there's the image. Okay, let's close the program. All you have to do is just click the option here, go to its property, look for the image. There, okay, there's it. Likewise for the sub menu, you can do that. Okay, and that's it for now, guys. Again, Stay safe and watch out for my next video tutorial for our topics. Thank you.